All right, this is Sam, and if you've been watching a lot of these videos and thinking it's pretty much the same thing every time, we're about to get something a little different because Sam has stripes. So we're still starting the same way with the body. And as always, we're going to take that straight edge there and line it up with the straight edge at the bottom of the block. And here the block fabric is actually hanging a little bit over the batting. So I'm lining this up with the batting, which I can feel underneath that edge. Then, instead of putting the head on next, we're going to put some stripes on him because the head is going to overlap one of these stripes. So here is one stripe. And this is the one that goes up at the top of him that the head is going to overlap. All right, now it goes back to being just like all of the other cats. We're going to put the head on. And I did the little pattern contrast on this guy that I also try to do whenever I can. So the body is going straight up and down and sideways, and the striping on it is going at angles on the head to help get that contrast in. And then the ears are just a little bit different, slightly different angle. And then we've got his face. And a cute little nose. Ready for outlining.